Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As with other sources of soluble fiber, Shirataki noodles can help aid digestion and promote regular bowel movements. This may help people who experience constipation or who want to increase their fiber intake to generally improve digestion.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Trader Joe's. Some Trader Joe's stores offer Shirataki noodles by the produce. Kroger stores keep Shirataki noodles in the produce, dry pasta and international aisles. Publix. If you go to a Publix supermarket, you can pick up Shirataki noodles in the produce section.
Take our lead.
Shirataki noodles are made from a substance called glucomannan that comes from the konjac root. Glucomannan is a soluble fiber that absorbs a lot of water. Noodles made from glucomannan flour are actually about 3% fiber and 97% water, so it's easy to see why they are low in calories. Konjac is native to Eastern Asia.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Preservative-free skinny noodles and skinny, rice, Shirataki have a shelf life of 12 months. Please check the expiration date printed on the back of the package. Unopened packages can be stored at room temperature in a pantry or cupboard, but we recommend storing them in the refrigerator for best results.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.